doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me, barking when he's asleep.
That's just my baby dog. 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 That's just my baby.
This is how she responds to being called beautiful.
Honey, you are the most beautiful girl in the whole entire world. Yes, you. You are my baby. You are perfect. Do you agree?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Dude.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
This is my hair wet, a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Ja. Kom här. Hallå?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend.
You already know who it is. It's your boy.